Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to show whether it is possible to store non-decimal numbers into the variables which are declared with float or double primitive data type in Java. So let's get started. So is it possible to store a non-decimal number into the variable which is declared with either float or double in Java? The answer is yes, it is possible. Yes, in Java, it is possible to store which type of number? Non-decimal numerical number into a variable which is declared with float or double. Let me practically demonstrate this for you. For that, I'll switch to this Eclipse IDE where we have the sample Java program. Inside this main method, I want to create a variable. Let's say the variable name is A. Into this variable, I would like to store a non-decimal numerical number. Let's say 9. Okay. This non-decimal numerical number I want to store into this variable A. Let me put a semicolon here. For storing this kind of non-decimal numerical number into this variable A, this variable A should be declared with which primitive data type in Java? From your previous experience in this course, you will definitely guess that it should be int primitive data type. That's 100% right. You need to declare this variable A with a primitive data type like int, or you can also declare this with a byte or short, even long also, right? So we can declare these variables with int. Int is a common one. So to store a non-decimal numerical value into the variable, in Java we have to declare that variable with a common primitive data type, that is int. Then we can print it out. System.out.println A. What will happen? 9 will get printed out. Okay, 9 will get printed here. When I print the variable A, this non-decimal numerical value which is stored into this variable A will be printed in this case. That's all good. What if I want to store the similar or the same non-decimal numerical value, okay, non-decimal numerical value into the variable which is declared with float primitive data type? Is it possible? You see any errors are coming here? Any compiler errors are coming? No. I can still store the non-decimal numerical value into the variable which is declared with float primitive data type in Java. That's also possible. But this is integer literal. This is float primitive data type. How it is possible? What actually is happening in this program? Here, Java is automatically converting this integer literal or integer data into the floating point literal internally. Okay, internally some typecasting is happening. Even though it looks like possible here, but internally Java is converting this integer literal into the floating point literal to store this kind of data into the variable which is actually declared with float primitive data type. Java is converting it internally. Actually, we have to declare this variable with int primitive data type. Okay, if you want to store a non-decimal numerical value into a variable, which is okay, this variable should be declared with int primitive data type. But what if I provide float? Still, it is accepting because Java is internally converting. That is, Java is internally typecasting. Here, typecasting. Okay, typecasting is internally happening. Internally happening. Java is internally converting, or we can also say this as auto typecasting. We don't have to do anything. Java is automatically converting this integer literal into the floating point literal for storing this kind of non-decimal numerical value into the variable which is declared with float primitive data type. So this 9 will become 9.0 guys. Okay, when I run this code, okay, when I run this code, what will be printed? Don't think that 9 will be printed. Okay, here 9 is an integer literal. To store that 9 into the variable, Java is internally converting this 9 into 9.0. Okay, it's converting into the floating point literal internally. Run this. You see 9.0 got printed. We gave 9 here. We are storing 9, but here 9.0 got printed. Similarly, if you declare this variable with other primitive data type, that is double, here also same thing will happen. Java will automatically or internally will convert this integer literal, non-decimal numerical integer literal into a double literal type. Okay, internally it will do that. Though it will not look or you will not get any error, but internally this typecasting, auto typecasting will be done, or internal typecasting will be done by Java in this case. You say 9.0 got printed. So hope guys you understood what will happen when you try to store a non-decimal numerical number into the variable which is declared with a float or double primitive data type in Java. Java will automatically convert. Java will internally, okay, internally typecast integer literal into respective floating point or double literal, literal or type. Okay. So if you try to store a value 9, integer literal 9, it will convert it to 9.0 when you declare that variable as a float or double in Java. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.